You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Google has removed 30 popular apps from its Play Store, but while that stops new smartphone owners buying these dodgy apps, Android fans who already have downloaded the apps need to make sure they delete them from their phones. Security researchers have issued a new warning to Android users, and it's wise to take notice if you happen to have one of the popular applications installed on your smartphone. It's been revealed Google recently removed over 30 popular apps from its Play Store after it was discovered the software had the ability to bombard users with unwanted adverts and intrusive browser redirects, which would take Android fans to websites without them ever clicking on a link. Here's the full list of the malicious applications. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.